What's up, Ryan? What are we gonna do today? We're gonna do a video on the RC car. We got Brian's Nissan Skyline GTR RC car. Look at that. It's a drift power slider. It includes 4 extra tires. And Ryan already playing with it. Good job, buddy. Go, Ryan! Wow, we got the super RC car. Look at that. Let me see, Ryan. Where are you going? Whoa! Oh, that's so cool, dude! No, you see. So we got the RC car right here. We're gonna do some drifting. We're gonna do the turbo. Turbo. Watch. Turbo. Watch. Ready for the turbo? Whoa! Watch. Turbo! Whoa! Turbo time!
What is that?
This button, once you press it, it's the turbo. It makes it faster. Watch. That's without turbo. Go. We got the super RC car. Whoa! We got Super Ryan right here. We just got it today. Oh, we bought it at Walmart. Remember, you guys subscribe to our channel. Thumbs up. We're making fun videos. We got it right here. Alright. We got the super RC car. You're started. Whoa. Tomorrow we're gonna do a video outside. Right now we're doing it inside because it's already dark. Whoa! The super RC car.
No, Daddy.
What happened? You see what you do? You do it super fast. We got Super Ryan right here! Say hi to your friend, Ryan. Ryan, say hi to your friend. Hola amigos, from Ryan YouTube. Whoa! Get over there! No, over there! Super Ryan right here. Is that your new toy? You got the Super Skyline GTR Drift RC car. That was from the Fast and the Furious. Oh my gosh! We got the Super Ryan right here. Whoa, we got the Super RC car. We got Super Ryan right here. Ryan. Whoa, we're putting under the turbo. Whoa. It's stuck, Ryan. Come on, Ryan, it's stuck, dude. That's Super Ryan right here. Remember, subscribe to Ryan's YouTube channel.
Yes.
Always making fun videos. We're making a toy review on the RC car. Stay tuned. Go. Go, Ryan. Go. Whoa. It's an awesome toy. It's a very nice toy. It comes with really details. It comes with 4 extra tires. Look at that. It's a USB charge. It's a turbo boost.
What is that?
Fast and the Furious.
What is that?
That's a wing.
What is this?
That's color blue. That's like a design. That's stickers.
What is this?
It's a really fast car, dude.
What is this?
Go, Ryan. Go Super Ryan. That's Super Ryan right here. Say bye. Say bye. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Subscribe. What's the name of your YouTube?
Ryan. No, Super Ryan.
You're not Super Ryan?
No, I'm Ryan.
But what's the name of your YouTube channel?
Super Ryan.
Super Ryan. So remember, subscribe to Ryan's channel. Thumbs up. See you later. Adios, amigo. Subscribe.